I'm David Bell. Your friends talk shit about your chicken dumplings. Do what I do and give them a bowl. That quiet sound of nobody talking. It's in chicken tenders, taster tonsils every time.
Dude, man, there's a ligament, dude. What the hell is that shit? I can't eat that crap.
They're the only one. That'd be the only one.
Yeah, there is none at all. Right. Damn, dude.
That's all in your bowl.
What an ACL joint, man. Go on, dude. Dude, I got both of them. Got two shoulders.
Yeah, bud, it's some good shit.
There's another one. God damn, but look, hey, I'm gonna tell you something, son. You can't serve that shit to people.
Hey man, what's up with the chicken broth, man?
You can't, I mean, you can't, dude.
Alan got that. Alan just got that.
What? No.
Ah, damn, it's good though, isn't it?
You work at Pilgrim. You work at Tyson. You work at Tyson. Which means you have a general idea what parts of chicken you can actually eat.
I don't fuck with chicken. I'm a ground beef man.
Well, I suggest next time you make chicken and dumplings, you should make it with brown meatballs. So we keep the bones out.
Okay.
I love you, dude, but
This good stuff.
Give me another bowl?
oh no.
Okay.
You got a sandwich?